Let me show you the backlight of this Casio LWS-2200H watch. So you can turn on the backlight on this watch by pressing this upper button, and the backlight will turn on. And the backlight brightness actually is very good. I'll show you later in the dark. But first, if you actually want to change your backlight duration, you can do that by, while being in the watch mode, where you can clearly see your time, press and hold this upper button basically. Okay, till it beeps and this appears basically. Then use your mode button to cycle through, basically cycle through all the dates and keys, and this is the LT, so which we need to change. So by default it's set to 1 second, which is actually 1.5 seconds, but we can basically press this button here to cycle between the 1 or 3. So this basically, so you can select it and increase or decrease as you want it. To go back, press this upper button and your backlight duration is set. Okay, and this is backlight brightness of this watch. So I'm not sure if my camera can actually pick up, and it doesn't focus well because it's dark. So this is basically what it looks like, and actually it's very good backlight and you can see everything very well. And the only negative thing about the backlight is, as on the other Casio watches, that if you press like other buttons on this watch while we have the backlight on, the backlight goes off basically, and that's completely retarded really. So when you press like turn on the backlight and press the button, basically it turns off, and that's completely retarded. So I dropped the watch, and yep, the durability of this watch also is great. So yeah, I accidentally dropped this watch somewhere where I didn't want to drop it. So anyway, the backlight is actually very good on this watch, and overall I really like this watch as well. It's of course very durable, as a Casio watch should be, so you don't really have to worry about dropping it like I do, very clumsy. So yeah, overall great watch, and the timer, stopwatch, everything else is superb on this watch. The step counter tracker on this watch, however, isn't very good, and it overcounts like crazy. It overcounts like by a third. So if you if it says you got like, for example, like 5,000 steps taken, in reality you have only taken like 3,500 steps. So yeah, it overcounts like crazy. Anyway, if this was helpful, make sure to hit the like button. See you!